Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmach Live, and I'm your host Chandrakant. As of now, our Prime Minister is in US, and just minutes back, he finished his roundtable, and he actually gave emphasis on 2 points. One is AI, and he's actually inviting AI, participant into India. He's actually telling so many things that, from his standpoint, what he's doing in India when it comes to AI governance, etc. And he is also giving some brilliant ideas on the governance and ethical use of AI. So, when the push from the government and from the prime minister is so immense, which is going to open up this field. And if you remember, friends, I told you that if we follow AI is going to open up new opportunities for the humans. It is not going to take your job, it is going to open up new opportunities. And therefore, in today's program, we are going to discuss about the five biggest opportunities that we will get because of this AI, which is now going to come up in a very big way. All right, so let's begin our discussion, and let's go to the first point. The first point is about the economic impact. There is going to be huge economic impact when we talk about AI, and all walks of life will be completely impacted by AI. Namely, there are few which are very important, like education, health is also getting into a lot of AI deployment. And in fact, today I read in the news that at least 10,000 different applications will be acquired by the health tech player in India during by 2025, end of 2025. That means 18 months from now, there will be at least 10,000 various applications in the area of health tech. So education is another big area, health tech is another big area, remote sensing is a big area, which is going to help farmers to generate better crops. So when it comes to AI and generative AI, which is as of now free, more or less all of these applications will start flowing in, and it is going to do things better, and therefore it is going to impact the economy in a very big way. So health tech, education, cyber security, and freeing up humans from repetitive jobs. All of this actually is going to open up the market and create lot many opportunities, not only in the area of AI, but also there are other impact on the economy, which is going to open up new type of job profiles. For example, the new type of jobs maybe like prompt engineer, AI project managers, and numerous such jobs will open up, demanding the skilled resources to be hired in these new areas of job. So AI advancement will actually open up the Indian landscape and open up economy, and also open up the job market. All right, let's go to the next one, which is again very, very critical, very important, and that is the capabilities, expanding capabilities. We know that the AI has something called generative AI component, in which you can actually type in English sentences, and AI can actually take action on that. Either it is required for search, or it is required for writing code, or generate an artifact like a painting, etc. All of this is all of these are part of the capability. So if you are a programmer, you can write beautiful code, but then AI can also write the code. So I think it's very logical that the era of coders, programmers is going to end very soon, because AI, more and more generative AI is going to be deployed in writing codes, and it will become a lot easier. In fact, on the television, there are already advertising which is being done, that the people used to take 2 days to make a beautiful PowerPoint presentation. With the advancement of AI, there are people who are trained in AI, can generate the similar quality of PowerPoint presentation in 5 minutes. So you see, there are a huge advancement in the capability itself. Therefore, while the coding job, programming job will disappear because most of the programming will be done by the AI. However, the overall capabilities will improve drastically. People will actually start exploring new areas, will start finding new ways to talk to the AI, maybe contribute to the AI. So it's overall advancement of the human civilization, human society that is going to happen, and especially in a country like India, where the government of India is actually providing so many different kinds of framework for AI adaptation. It is going to impact the Indians, quite a bit, and the landscape of India in terms of economy, in terms of business, in terms of capability, in terms of skills. All of that will undergo tremendous change. All right, let's move to the next one, which is about the operational efficiency. Operational efficiency is again related to production. It is mostly related to production, because what happens in any production where there are things to be produced on daily basis, and a lot of repetitive tasks are there, and something can go wrong somewhere, because there are so many machines involved, like different gears have to come together, like supply chain, distribution, finances, all of these. So, and also production on the factory floor. So food production or garment production, or any kind of cars, rockets, any kind of production will undergo tremendous change, because more and more businesses will start deploying the AI and then freeing up humans to do something else. So if it is something which is repetitive in nature, AI can do a better job, will bring in better operational capabilities, efficiencies, by which businesses will be able to save cost in terms of salaries, also in terms of better production, better utilization of electricity and other resources, and therefore their profitability will also go up. So it is but logical to migrate to AI when it comes to managing the your manufacturing facility, managing your floor of the factory, etc. And very soon, all of this area, this segment of the business will get flooded with automated bots, whether they are robots in physical world or they are the automated bots or software, which will then start controlling the conveyor belt, various components of factory, etc. So overall, the manufacturing efficiency will improve, thus bringing the cost of these produced merchandise, bring them down, and therefore Indian products will be much more competitive. So it is a necessity to employ AI based systems in our manufacturing process, just to be competitive in the global environment, because your biggest competitor is China, is definitely going to go this way, and if we move faster, then we have a first mover advantage. All right, let's move to the next one, and this is about the content creation. And some of you who are developing content for various content platforms like YouTube, etc., you know that YouTube has announced that they will bring the AI component built into their studio. So this AI component will tell the content creator about the ideation. Basically, if they're stuck and they are looking for some idea on what type of content that has to be developed, the AI component which is built into the YouTube studio will actually guide them what you should work on as your next video. All right, so that is very big help. And then it will also create some sort of text based narration. You can create description, you can create titles, you can also create images for your thumbnail and for your video, etc. So all of this will be now available within the YouTube platform. So like this, there are other platforms which are also working on bringing this AI component, so that their platforms is preferred by content creators. So content creation will also going through a major transition, and it's not only video. People like artists, you can create some sort of digital images in within your video, etc., making your content much more interesting and appealing. So AI will help all the content creators in terms of improving their content, and also turnaround time as well, because now if the AI help is available, then they can do it much better, faster. And lastly, the last subject is the routine task. How do you take care of the routine task and automating the routine task? Well, routine tasks are something which are very, very repetitive in nature. In the previous century, more and more manpower was used to handle the routine task. So your success of your industry or your business was directly proportional to how many people are working for you in your office. So therefore, if this is the case, then humans who are engaged in these activities will be, all of them will be doing a lot of repetitions, like bookkeeping or working on the floor of the factory. So if there is an AI and can take over this job, they will never get tired. The AI components will never get tired, will never demand for free holidays, vacation. They will never ask for a coffee break or a smoking break or a bio break. They will continuously keep working and keep handling the repetitive task. This is a boring task which human will have, don't like doing it, but because they were finding jobs, they were doing it in the previous century, which is in the 1900s. However, right now in 2024 and beyond, I think most of the business will automate repetitive tasks and then free up those jobs and ask their humans to diversify into other areas where there are no AI. So most of the repetitive tasks will actually go to AI. And if you do not have those skills, this is a time to understand what is going to happen in our business so that you can actually start skilling yourself. So these are certain things which are going to happen very quickly. And if you want to know exactly which industries are getting impacted, what are the top opportunities, you can actually watch another video which is listed here. Otherwise, this is the industry-wide high-level view of what is going to happen in next year and the remainder of 2024. So friends, thanks for watching me live. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send it across. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you again in the next one.